Today's an exciting day, boys. We're finally installing my big turbo, supporting mod. So for reference, we have the corksport boost controller, we have the Bosch 3-bar map sensor, and then we have my JBR 3.5-inch intake, and we got the new tune, obviously. So yeah, like I mentioned in my previous video, I wasn't gonna install this, but I figured if I sell my old cob intake and inlet pipe, it'll pay for the tune and then some. So I thought may as well, makes sense, maybe get some extra power, hopefully, maybe. I'm not really expecting a whole lot of more power, but it will look a lot better in the engine bay because obviously the intake is powder coated red, so it's gonna look sick with the black filter.
You didn't get any accessories with this, did you? You didn't get like a plug or something with this?
Whatever's in there.
Shit.
Don't ask. It's already going to be sold by the time this video is posted. This is what we're working with right now. So for the bigger intake, I don't know what we're going to do with the like the factory ECU because it's obviously not going to fit. So I was thinking like on the face of like the battery box, and as for the boost controller, I'm not sure. And by the way, I'm running 2-port for the boost controller. Because it's on factory turbo, I was recommended by Justin and everyone else to run it on 2-port. Guys, look at that little baby KO4. I had no idea how small it was. I think it's probably the same size as my hand. Like, I had no idea it was like that freaking small. But I'm looking at it right now, like, holy shit. And you already know, we'd be pushing, 22, 23. Okay, I'd say 22 pounds of boost at most to this little baby KO4. That's crazy. All right, so sorry I didn't get any clips, but we just routed the new line for the boost controller. Probably gonna mount the boost controller right here on the stud that we won't need anymore for the new intake. So we'll probably mount it right there. So what are you doing right now, my friend?
Disassembling it.
We're just assembling it. What's the proper way of assembling it?
The proper way is trying to figure out.
Oh fuck, okay. Okay. Wait, what's that shirt say?
Huh?
Life is too short to stay stuck.
Too short to stay stuck.
I need to get one of those, bro. Alright, so JBR 3.5-inch intake is in, and man, it looks pretty freaking good right there. I wish the red popped a little more, but honestly, it still looks really good. So we're gonna mount the boost controller right now. We're gonna put it right here. So that should be where it's gonna sit. Yep, looks like I need a new tranny mount. Like, what the frig? Jesus Christ, this looks terrible. Okay, so sorry guys, this video is kind of all over the place. My battery is really low, so I can't really do a lot of time lapses. But, so basically what we're trying to do, we're trying to fit the ECU inside the battery box right here. Basically what we did, as you can see, we shaved down...
mounting bracket?
Yeah. So basically what we did is we shaved down the mounting brackets to slide it right in, and hopefully guys, it'll fit right in. If we do, man, that'll be so sick. It'll be like OEM plus. People will not even know that I have an ECU.
2 weeks later.
Whew. So it's been about 2 weeks since those clips. Probably a little more than 2 weeks, to be honest. Yeah, a lot has changed, a lot has happened since then. I crashed my speed, so this is after like I went to the track. I actually just fixed my side skirt kind of properly-ish. It's definitely not going to be as perfect as OEM by any means, but it'll do. And I'm going to show you guys how the engine bay is looking, what we've done, and just everything. Oh, it's already opened. So before I show you the engine bay, this is the best I could do with the side skirt. It wouldn't really go in that nicely over here, but I mean, it's pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. So also wheel, got that finished up. Fender liner. I'm actually picking up a fin today, so I'll probably get that in this video. So let's enjoy my nice little hood latches. Kaboom. Okay, so first thing, don't mind this, I'll explain that later. So basically everything is in. As you can see, we got the JBR 3.5-inch intake right here. It's actually super close to my bypass valve. It's actually hitting it, I think, whenever like it rattles, whenever it spools up and shit. My ECU, I basically wrapped this. Don't worry, I'm getting a new sticker. I don't know, it just wasn't sticking on properly. I guess I didn't do a very good job of putting it on. I just basically got like a ride shoe sticker, and I used like some fake carbon wrap I had in my garage because it was like all like silver and chrome. It's pretty ugly, so I just got that fixed up. And then the boost controller, we basically put right here where like the old thread was for the ECU, so we did that. And then, you know, we taped up the wiring for the ECU to make it a little more clean. And then I don't know if you guys can see, if I can even show you guys. You see that blue sticker right there? That's the new map sensor. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I wasn't expecting a lot of power gains out of this, but I just flashed in my first map last week, and the car is way, okay, I shouldn't say way faster, but it pulls a lot harder than before. And let me tell you guys, I was like blown away. So I did my revisions, I got my second map in. I'm gonna record me doing the data logging for the second map. We're probably gonna do that later today after we pick up the new fin for my diffuser. But yeah, guys, car is pulling a lot harder. I'm excited to show you guys how like the data logging process works. Like I kind of explained in one of my videos, but I've never actually really done it, so I'm excited to show you guys that. And as you can see, the engine bay is coming along pretty nicely. Yeah, there's still some work to do. Yeah, it needs a couple more little things here and there, but it's a work in progress, boys. Let's just say that. And goddamn, boys, I am maxing the hell out of this little KO4. Let me tell you that shit.
3 hours later.
This is covering the camera?
No.
Okay. Okay, guys, so we got the new fins. Shout out to Ventus Autoworks for hooking me up. He literally gave these to me for like super cheap. I know it wasn't really worth his time to make it, but he did it anyways. So if you guys saw my previous video where I broke it, like broke the fin, you can't even tell it's broken the way I fixed it, but it's just because I'm like, why not? He even gave me like so many, look at that shit, so many. How nice of him, right? Are you gonna talk? Why not? Okay, you can stop. Okay, so now I just picked up from his house. We're gonna drive all the way back down home, and we're gonna do some data logging. So that'll be fun.
Is that it?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's been a while since we've done this kind of style of video. Well, this is a part of like a video I've been editing that's going on for like 3 weeks now. We're gonna head home and yeah, do some data logging. Should be fun. I know one good road. We're just gonna go like back and forth on that shit. Justin from Freak2 needs a couple of third gear watt logs, aka wide open throttle logs. We'll see when we get down there because I need my phone for the GPS. Just getting some food now, you know, before we do some data logging later tonight. I'm getting some pizza, the girlfriend's getting some Hero Burger. Freaking hell, man. I wanted to park like right there under the shade, and then the lady who works there is like, excuse me, like you can't like park right in front of there. I'm like, oh, I'm sorry. Like, what the frick, man? All right, so we're gonna do the data logging now. So we're at my famous road where I do my data logs. So you basically want to find a nice flat road. I was told that it's better doing a flat road, so you know, I did some snooping around the area. I found this road, and I'm gonna show you guys like the process of like, you know, logging. So here, come closer. So all you literally do is, you know, you're in whatever. So for example, for this, we're gonna do 3K to 6.5K in third gear. You know, you're in the gear, you press OK, you do the pull. Obviously, I'm gonna demonstrate it, and then you press OK after you're done, and then you're good. So we're gonna pull around. Make sure your traction control is off. He'll mention that. AC off, you know what I'm saying? Extra horsepower and shit. Look at that car. Cool car, man. Okay. I'll let that car pass. Holy fuck, man. Like any faster, buddy. I like to also have my RPM gauge out, so that way I know I'm in the right RPM. Okay, so I need to do a third gear watt log from 3 to 6.5. So I'm gonna rev it up to 3. Okay, I'm just before 3. I press start, and you just fucking floor it. Yeah, so we have to do like 2 more. So I'm just gonna like turn around real quick. There's no one here. Make a quick little U-E. See how nice and flat this road is? Alright, same thing. Let's go, boys. Pretty much it. Alright, we gotta do one more. We got a bit of knock. We got like 2 knock. I don't know if that was when I was going wide open throttle, but we just gotta send it to Justin and see what he says. So I'm gonna reset this so I can see the numbers again. Woo. Is she faster? Yeah? You have to say yes. They can't see what you're doing.
I said yes.
Yeah, but you nodded your head. Dude, everyone probably thinks like, oh, this freaking dink, man, just ripping it back and forth. I see a car down there. Alright, I'm gonna wait for this fucker to pass. Alright. Let's make this one good for the boys.
Why don't you wait till the cars pass?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, now we proceed. Woo! God damn, she rips. Maybe she rip?
She rips.
You heard it first, boys. She fucking rips. You think 3's enough? He said a couple. What is a couple? Like 3, 4?
I think a couple is like 2 or 3.
Okay, we're good. Alright, well, that was basically like data logging. Usually he'll make you do like, well, for Freak Tune specifically, he'll make you do like an idle log and then a slow second gear pull one, and then that's pretty much it. And then like obviously a watt log from 3rd gear. But for my second revision, he wanted all 3rd gear watt logs. He said grab a couple, so I got him like 3. So I think that should be fine. But yeah, she's fucking ripping, man. Not a lot of knock on this one. We'll see what happens, you know. Now we're exiting Mexico. We're heading back home. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of like how the build's going and shit. I honestly think like it's going really good. I'm really happy with like the progress it's making and all that. She's freaking ripping. We're maxing out this KO4. I mean, yeah, I do want a bigger turbo at some point, but you know, we're making the most out of it, boys. We're making the most out of it. Next video, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but we'll see as time will tell. So, but yeah, guys, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, this video was like in the making for like 3 weeks now, almost 2 or 3 weeks. But you know, we're making some progress. We're making some big power. I hope you guys are excited as I am for like the progress that, you know, the speed is gonna bring and shit. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay consistent. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.